So to set it up, generally what we do is we take it out of the box and then we're going to plug it in to some power. So I'll just undo this, plug it in, and then we'll have a look and see what it looks like when it's illuminated. So there's the SoundSign illuminated. This particular message is hearing protection must be worn. There are a number of other sets of writing you can put on there. Warning high noise levels, shush, keep quiet, that sort of thing. So there's a number of different messages you can get on these. And we also have these available in French and German languages as well. So that's what it looks like when it's activated. Now, of course, we don't want it activated all the time. The whole purpose about a SoundSign is it's there to warn people. And it's there to warn people when excessive noise occurs, so then they can take some action, whether it's by putting on hearing protection or doing something to reduce the noise levels in that area. Now, the noise activated warning sign comes in two versions. This one with the microphone here on the top is the master sound sign, and we can get a sign that's almost identical to this, which we call a remote sound sign. So the remote sound sign would plug into the top section here, and you've got a 10 or 15 meter cable to the second sound sign. So when this one activates, then the remote sound sign would activate as well. And the reason behind that is you might have a large area and not everybody will be able to see this sign when it's put up. So having the remote sound sign that goes off at the same time basically just gives you a bit more visual coverage. As we can see, it basically uses mains power to activate it, and to mount it on the back there are a couple of holes which just slot onto some screws that you can put in the wall, and that would just hang on the wall or a piece of boarding or whatever very, very easily. So it's a very simple device, very, very effective, and it's used in areas where people want to warn people when higher noise levels occur, typically in areas where most of the time the noise level is pretty safe, well below 85 dBA, but then when maybe some piece of machinery kicks in and they want people to sort of take notice of that and take some action, that's where the SoundSign comes in handy.